Have you ever held a $100 bill in your hand and felt both hopeful and helpless? Hopeful because money promises options. Helpless because one bill can't change your life, only your thinking can. Today, you don't need a fortune. You need a millionaire mind. Stay with me till the end and I'll show you the exact mental rules millionaires use. Rules you can start applying the moment you finish this video, even if your bank balance reads zero. This is not about pretending you're rich. It's about training a mindset that attracts scale, persistence, and returns. Millionaires don't stumble onto wealth by accident. They think differently before they earn differently. So we'll walk through mindset shifts, verbal rituals, daily micro habits, and decision frameworks you can use right now. Each point ends with a practical action you can do today. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from money problems, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. Number 1. Millionaires don't chase money, they chase value. Most people wake up thinking, how can I make money today? Millionaires wake up asking, how can I create value today? That single question flips everything, because when you solve valuable problems, money chases you. Think of it like this. Money is just a certificate of appreciation for value delivered. The moment you stop chasing cash and start chasing competence, your market worth multiplies. A broke person might complain, nobody pays me enough. But a millionaire in training asks, how can I make myself too valuable to ignore? Even when you're broke, you can create micro value, help someone, improve something, build a small skill others need. The compounding effect of those micro values is enormous. So before you complain about being underpaid, ask yourself, am I over-delivering or just showing up? Because those who obsess over value never stay broke for long. Number 2, millionaires avoid survival thinking. Broke minds think about surviving the week. Millionaire minds think about designing the decade. When your mental focus is stuck on making it till Friday, you miss the bigger game entirely. Survival thinking is emotional, reactive, and short-term. It traps you in paycheck-to-paycheck cycles. Millionaires, even when broke, think in time horizons. They plan moves that may take months or years but yield freedom later. Someone struggling today might still learn investing for an hour a day, because that knowledge will buy them options later. Survival thinkers say, I can't afford to invest. Millionaire thinkers ask, how can I afford to invest? The second question creates solutions. The first kills them. Here's your test. Is your next decision reducing pain or creating opportunity? The first keeps you afloat. The second builds your ladder. And speaking of ladders, there's one invisible ladder that millionaires use to climb out of scarcity, step by step. Number 3, millionaires build invisible assets. When you're broke, your most powerful assets aren't in your wallet, they're in your mind. Skills, credibility, habits, and relationships are invisible assets that multiply wealth silently. A millionaire's real portfolio begins long before the first investment account. It's the compound growth of knowledge and trust. Warren Buffett once said, the best investment you can make is in yourself. He wasn't being poetic. He was describing leverage. Every book you read, every skill you master, every connection you nurture, that's equity. A broke person sees $0 in their account and feels poor. A millionaire thinker sees knowledge, discipline, and resilience as their capital in progress. You can't control your salary right now, but you can control how fast you learn and how well you execute. That's the seed capital of self-made millionaires. Number 4, millionaires think in ROI, not price. Average people see price tags. Millionaires see return on investment. When you're broke, every dollar feels heavy, and that's exactly why you must teach that dollar to multiply. Ask a broke person why they don't invest in learning, and they'll say, it's expensive. Ask a millionaire the same question, and they'll say, what's the return? The poor think in cost. The rich think in yield. If a $200 course can teach you a $20,000 skill, it's not a cost, it's a wealth accelerator. Millionaires use the ROI lens on everything: their time, their friendships, their habits. Every action must either grow income, knowledge, or influence. Next time you're about to buy something, ask, will this make me richer, smarter, or freer within a year? If not, it's a liability. And speaking of time, there's one thing millionaires guard more fiercely than their money. Number 5, millionaires guard their time like fortune. You can recover money. You can't recover time. Millionaires understand this with religious intensity. When you waste an hour scrolling, you're burning unseen equity, time that could have built skills or assets. A broke person says, it's just an hour. A millionaire says, that's an hour of compound potential lost. Time, when used strategically, compounds faster than money. Because time creates habits, habits create assets, and assets create cash flow. Every hour has an opportunity cost. If your time is worth $50 an hour, spending 3 hours arguing online costs you $150 in unseen value. That's the math millionaires constantly run in their heads. You can't become wealthy until you treat time as capital, guard it, allocate it, invest it. Because those who spend time carelessly will always borrow it from someone else later. But here's the secret most never learn. How you use your time decides whether you'll ever escape the paycheck trap. Number 6. Millionaires think like owners, not earners. The broke mindset trades time for money. The millionaire mindset builds assets that work even while they sleep. They don't want a paycheck, they want a system. Even if you earn $10 an hour, think like an owner. Ask yourself, how can I own something that pays me, even if I'm not working? That ownership can be tiny, a side hustle, a stock, a digital product, or a piece of real estate someday. Every wealthy person starts small. Jeff Bezos began selling books. Elon Musk coded PayPal. Ownership grows from ideas, not inheritance. When you think like an owner, you stop spending and start allocating. You stop asking, can I afford it? And start asking, will this bring me returns? Number 7. Millionaires reprogram their identity. Before you can build wealth, you must believe you deserve it. Millionaires rewire identity first. Actions follow later. The broke mindset says, I'm poor. The millionaire mindset says, I'm learning wealth creation. One creates limitation. The other creates movement. Your brain filters reality through identity. If you see yourself as someone who always struggles, your choices will match that script. But if you start saying, I'm becoming a disciplined investor, your subconscious will start proving you right. It's not affirmations, it's behavioral reprogramming. Identity precedes habits, and habits precede results. Start small. Track your spending, automate savings, study investing for 15 minutes daily. Each action reinforces your new identity, and that identity becomes unshakable. But as you grow, you'll face one dangerous illusion that destroys wealth faster than bad habits. Number 8. Millionaires delay gratification. The poor want to look rich now. The rich prefer to be rich later. Delayed gratification is the millionaire's secret weapon. It's the mindset of patience in a world addicted to immediacy. When you delay a purchase today, you're not missing out. You're choosing compounding over consumption. That's how the wealthy think. They don't need to prove anything with possessions. Their proof is freedom. Imagine investing $200 a month instead of spending it on appearances. In 10 years, at 8% growth, that's roughly $36,000. Money that could buy you peace, not just products. Millionaires get addicted to long-term results, not instant dopamine. Every time you resist the urge to impress others, you build financial muscle. Number 9. Millionaires learn faster than everyone else. Knowledge is compound interest in human form. Millionaires read, test, and adapt faster than everyone else. They treat learning as an income source, not a hobby. When broke, your best investment isn't in crypto, real estate, or stocks. It's an education that compounds. Learning sales, communication, financial literacy, and technology pays higher dividends than most portfolios in the beginning. Here's the secret. Millionaires compress decades into days by learning from mentors, books, and failures. While others spend years figuring things out, they buy time through knowledge. So stop asking, what should I buy? And start asking, what should I learn next? Because in the new economy, your earning power is your learning speed. But even after mastering skills, one mindset separates those who stay rich from those who lose it all. Number 10. Millionaires play the long game. Millionaires think in decades. They plant trees under whose shade they'll sit years later. The broke think in days. The rich think in compounding curves. When you're broke, patience feels painful, but that's exactly why you must cultivate it. Small, consistent moves, saving 5 investing in ETFs, improving a skill may seem insignificant today, but in 5 years, they become unrecognizable progress. Wealth doesn't arrive with speed. It arrives with consistency. Those who think long-term build empires while others chase trends. Here's the final truth. Millionaire thinking isn't about money. It's about perspective. If you can see 10 years ahead when everyone else sees 10 minutes, you've already won. Because once your mind thinks like a millionaire, your bank account has no choice but to catch up. The millionaire mindset is built, not bought. You don't need $1 million to think like a millionaire. You need million-dollar decisions. Every wealthy person you admire once stood exactly where you might be right now. Uncertain, underpaid, maybe even broke. But what separated them from the crowd wasn't luck. It was how they thought when no one else believed in them. The moment you shift from consumer to creator, from complainer to controller, from wishing to working, you've already crossed into the mindset that 99% never develop. I know that success comes from consistent learning. If this video gave you new insights, like it, share it, and subscribe to continue building wealth with me. Now, if you want to know about 10 little decisions determine your money game, then watch this video. I'll see you there.